If you're not disciplined in your marketing, you won't be disciplined in your finances. Come on now, that was a good one. That was good. I'm going to fan myself. I got a little hot with that one. If you're not disciplined in your marketing, you won't be disciplined in your finances. We can't be here saying to ourselves, oh, yes, I want to build a successful business. I want to have $1 million business. And then you're skimping on the marketing. People won't see you without the marketing. I want to have a successful business, but then you're skimping on the sales. People won't buy from you if they don't know what you're selling. So if you're in here and you're like, I need to change that about myself. I can't keep posting inconsistently. I can't keep waiting to go viral. I need to make a shift in my life and actually have a system that works for me. A system that generates leads on a consistent basis. A system that generates sales on a consistent basis. How many of you want that? Drop a me in the chat. If you're like, that's me. That's exactly what I want. Then I want to go ahead and invite you again to our challenge. Because in this challenge, we show you how to build this system.